What's up, guys? My name is King J. My name is King J. There's a war happening here. Go down. I've got a gun. Ah! Someone shot my foot. Wait, is it one of you? It's one of you. Wait, they're not dying. Maybe with a sniper. Why are they not up? Wait, there's someone over there. Go down! They shot me. Kill them. Wait, there's a lot of guards. I don't think I can shoot them. Wait a second. I have a rocket launcher on this baby. Rocket launch. They went. My rocket. Ah! I found another rocket for ammo. Need to put this. Alright, I need to change some ammo. Right, put this new ammo. Wait. Alright. Yeah. I shot them. It's time for you to die. Wait, he's over here. Wait a second. Sniper! I shot him with a headshot. I don't need this gun anymore. It's time for the grenade. What? And it blowed up. I won. So yeah, guys, I built this my own. It's my own. I built it all from things that are recyclable. I built it, and yeah, this is the button. Wait, this is the button that shoots. I don't know what this is, and I don't know what this is. Even if I create it, I don't know. But there's this button that it launches the rocket. It's a rocket launcher. I call this the a.s.r.m. That means assault rifle, sniper, rocket launcher, minigun. Yay! And for the grenade, just wait. I got it. So there, I broke it. The pieces, I broke them. But I'm going to search for the tools. I went for the search and I found the two tools. Found the hammer. Hammer time. And this logo. Shh. Yes. First of all, you have to do this. Alright, when you finish of that, you need to heat up the hammer. Heat it. Now punch it on your laptop. Alright. Then you'll have to burn this part here of the grenade that I broke and stick it back in here. Now you just need some time to wait so it can get and voila! That's how you make a grenade. That's how you fix a grenade. Be always sure of yourself, kids. And I am a kid, and I'm not sure of myself. Hey! So yeah, guys, I have this blowtorch gun. I think that's how they call it. And I'm heating up the screen. Alright. I really like the gun that I built. And I'm downloading right now House Party because I thought it was a good game. And a lot of people told me that it's good. And I also downloaded a.s.r.m. So yeah, guys, make sure to leave a like. I'm gonna end it here. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and ring notification bell. I got these headphones, these gaming headphones. Can you hear anything? I can't hear anything. Wah!